Back again. Cool. Let's do the next question, which is the password for new users in server.laptop.com must expire after 20 days. So for new users. Okay. So let's check it out. So let's go to the root user. Whoopsie. Let's go to the root user. Nice. Let's go to the etc login.deps file. Again, check my playlist. I talk about this a lot. And you can just find if the perimeter is there. Yep, it's there. So let's just find that thing out there. You can just change. I like to create a copy, back it up, and pass MaxDays. Now it's 20. And we save and quit. Okay, let's check a current user. Natasha, for example. Okay, that's what you get, 9999. And let's continue user adds test, L test, and 20 days, as you can see. Okay, so you can leave the, if you, for example, if you create a test user like this one, you can just leave it there. They won't care about that way to just any not that much or nothing at all. If you prefer, delete it, it's fine. Remove the user and carry on. I would just leave it. It doesn't bother me, and I'm sure it will not bother the exam checkers or evaluators or correctors or graders, whatever. So if you want to remove it, remove it. If you want to keep it, keep it. It's fine. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.